into the Cape Cod National Seashore. So we're on the scenic road, goes along the ocean in Wellfleet. So as soon as we get to a viewpoint, we'll stop so you can check it out. All right, stay tuned. See the ocean right there. Wow, that's pretty. All of a sudden you're out of the woods, you're into stunted growth trees. These are all oceanfront homes. And that's the Atlantic Ocean. Stop at the beach up here. Pretty. Look at that light. Wow, that's gorgeous. All right. Oh, look at all the people. Yeah. Okay, not sure which beach they call this beach, because I'm not a tourist. I live here, so well, I live a few towns over. Beautiful is this? All right, hold on, I'll get out. See all the guys down there surfing. Those are all surfers. Look at all the surfers down there. There goes someone trying it. Ooh, he's up. Wow, good for him. Look at that. All right, this is a good place to end my video. Wellfleet, Mass. Alright, I'm going to start doing some more town videos, beach videos. So, check back soon. More coming. Please like and subscribe. Chatham Adventures. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Those are big waves. Wow. All right, check back. Have a great day.